We want to pick a very small detail for us to work on about front ochos, because when we work on the key piece, then the whole thing will flow better, and we learn deeper.
And unfortunately, we're picking a few key pieces, but we'll do that, and that's okay. So first, you let the weight shift all the way. You let it quiet, and then you pivot all the way. So there's this sense that of this weight shift, wait for it to finish there. You let it quiet, and then you pivot all the way.
So that's actually just one thing that we're talking about. Every time we step, we want to get over the ball of our foot and then establish that axis before we try to move again.
So I'm going to, you lead me once, and I'm going to show not getting there and needing to wait longer. So we go. So for example, right here, I'm not there yet. So it's not time to pivot. Instead, we'll keep bringing me forward. We'll keep bringing me forward. We'll keep bringing me forward. And then maybe I'm still, oh, the balance is hard and I'm oscillating, and we'll wait for it to quiet. And now we can pivot. So you really want to pay attention. For both the followers and the leaders, is she all the way over? Has it quieted? Then pivot all the way.
And that's something the leaders can play with also, helping her find her axis.
Now, next idea is that there's an instinct to use the arms too much. And there's an instinct to say, oh, I want to pivot her.
No, it's not good.
So the pivot really comes, well, it depends on your paradigm, but in my current paradigm, and I've gone through a few phases, it changes every few years, and I have, oh, no, I'm more enlightened, and what I thought 4 years ago was not right. And it's changed now a few times. But in my current best paradigm, we have that, you'll notice there's a little bit of movement in my hips and in my hand. And it was that much. It was so subtle. Looking at side view, how much is my hand moving? So if you watch right here with my hip, Mom, can you put your hand here just as a landmark? So there's her hand. And if I wanted to pivot someone, do you see that slight movement right here? It's so subtle. And that slight movement through my hips and low back goes through the arm and then creates pressure and causes her to move.
It really makes the pivot for the follower a lot easier.
And then for her, she finds the pressure going through her body, and it's that pressure that's moving her rather than a massive amount of movement in the hand. Yeah, there's movement, but it's subtle.